Welcome to the Adastra Studio AI Masterclass, where you'll learn how to unlock the full potential of Adastra Studio AI through step-by-step, expert-led tutorials. In this session, we'll show you how to edit your AI video using Adastra Studio's built-in video editor. On the left, you'll see all of your video slides. You can also view the duration of each slide. Click Global to access the project-wide settings. From here, you can browse the available AI avatars. You can filter avatars by category. You can also filter avatars by gender, or if you prefer, you can upload your own custom avatar. Next, open the Voice section. Here you can change the avatar's voice. You can preview the selected voice before applying it. You can also adjust the voice playback speed. Now open the Font section. You can change the font style. You can adjust the font size. You can enable or disable background music. You can choose a different background music track. You can also adjust the background music volume. Now let's edit an individual slide. You can edit the slide content. You can view and modify the captions. You can enable or disable captions at any time. You can position the captions in any of the following locations: top, center, bottom, top left, top right, bottom left, bottom right. You can customize the caption text color. You can enable a background behind the captions. You can adjust the background opacity to improve readability. Next, open the Text section. Here you can add your own custom text. You can enable or disable custom text. You can choose a different font. You can increase or decrease the font size. You can select the text position. You can customize the text color. You can also enable or disable the text background. When you're finished, click Done. You can reposition the text anywhere on the canvas by simply dragging and dropping it. Next, open the Avatar section. You can enable or disable the avatar for the current slide. You can apply entrance animations to the avatar. You can choose from several avatar frame styles, including circle square. Full split for the split layout. You can position the avatar in either the upper or lower section. You can place the avatar anywhere on the screen, including the top left, top right, and many other predefined positions. Each avatar layout offers multiple positioning options, giving you complete creative flexibility. Next, open the Background section. You can upload your own background image. You can browse and select images from the built-in stock library. You can generate a unique background using AI. You can replace the background at any time. You can also apply dynamic zoom animations such as zoom in and zoom out to make your scenes more engaging. Now let's move to the Overlay section. You can add an overlay to enhance your video. Upload an overlay video from your device. Import an overlay using a custom URL. Browse and select overlay videos from the stock library. Preview the overlay before applying it. You can also review the overlay's audio. Choose an overlay layout, including Circle Full Split. You can position the overlay anywhere on the screen. For the split layout, you can place the overlay in either the top or bottom section. You can also animate the overlay to create a more engaging presentation. In addition to videos, you can also use image overlays. Finally, open the Sticker section. Browse the available stickers. Load additional emojis and stickers. Upload your own custom stickers. Resize stickers by choosing small, medium, or large. Position the sticker anywhere on the canvas. You can also drag and drop the sticker to place it exactly where you want. You can even drag the slides according to you. Once you've finished editing your project, click Export to generate your final video. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We hope this guide helps you create engaging, professional quality videos with Adastra Studio AI. Happy creating!